how to set up Bloxlink on Discord. In this video, how to set up Bloxlink on your Discord server. So to get started, go ahead and open your Discord account on your preferred device. And then once you're on your Discord account, go ahead and open a new tab and then search for this link. So this is the official Bloxlink website. In here, go ahead and click on the sign in to Discord button at the top right of your screen. And then in here, you need to go ahead and authorize the connection between your Discord account and your Bloxlink account. So keep scrolling until you find the authorize button and then click on authorize. And then once Bloxlink is in your server, you need to go ahead and head over to the server where you want to set up Bloxlink and then type /setup or /help to view available commands, and then use /verify to link your Roblox account. So use /bind to connect Roblox group ranks, game passes, or badges to your Discord roles, and customize restrictions using /settings. So here you'll basically find the accounts connected to your Bloxlink account. And that is how you can basically set up Bloxlink on Discord.